Okay, let me take you to this wild trail. If we are lucky, we might see some of the wild creatures who lives in desert, like geckos, snake, or maybe something else. Most of the time, they hide themselves in these tiny rocks and camouflaged. It's quite difficult to see them, but we have to be careful not to make noise because we don't want to scare them. And I have this map which is going to help me to follow this thing. I mean, this trail. I'm really excited. I have never been to a place like this. It looks so cool, and at the same time, I have to be careful. And I don't see any visitor, anybody here except me. So let's just continue our trail and let's see if we have something interesting. So this alleyway is going through this little trail. It's so quiet here. It looks like I'm the Bear Grylls. Whoa, there's information. Okay, so we have some welded stuff. I don't understand archaeology. This might be helpful for you if you happen to know some of the things. Well, I'm just learning. Okay, let's just move on. Look at these rocks. Looks so dramatic. So I have chosen this yellow trail. In this yellow trail, it's of approximately 1 kilometer, and it would take up 90 minutes. And there you go. That's how it looks like. So you can listen nothing but the sound of my footsteps and of course my voice. And besides it, there are few birds who are chirping. Oh, it looks dangerous and adventurous. Well, this is the sound of a woodcutter. There might I see few persons who are working in this park, or maybe not. Whoa, man, you just scared me. It was just a bird. Actually, it's kind of difficult to walk in this park without a guide, and you never know when you encounter any danger. Oh, look at this sun. Well, it's not shining brightly. That's a relief. If I visit the same park in the summer season, it would be difficult. And I haven't brought with me any hat, any sunglasses. Wow. Okay, that was not the sound of woodcutter. That's the sound of zipping. Someone is enjoying adventurous activity. through this zip line. Now check out the fort, Mehrangarh Fort. And here you go, one more time. Another person enjoying zipping. But we have to focus on our trail. I don't want to trip over and fall and get any injury. I think I should stop now and enjoy this view. And I'll see you soon. Okay, so we have to cross this bridge by walking on the stairs. It's kind of cool. Okay, if I am not wrong, this trail once in a year maybe is full of water. There you go. Do I have to go this way or this way? Well, they say that if you have to choose between left and right, always choose right. But I'm gonna take left. So this is the time to take right side, because as I told you earlier, we are following this yellow trail. So this yellow trail is over there. All right, let's just start. This is even more scary. Oh, another left. But I'm tempting to go this side. I don't know. Okay, let's not take a risk and follow our, let's just stick with our yellow sign. And we have this information, wet trickly. Well, if you don't understand English, there you go. I mean, in reading it would be easier for you. Let's just continue with our trail. Now one is going on this side, one is going on this side. Okay, do you listen the sound of water? It's really soothing to the mind. I can't see it, but definitely I can listen this soothing sound of falling water. Anyway, let's just continue. We're gonna carry on and explore this place. Oh, look at this dog. Yeah, seems like nothing. Wow, these beautiful birds. You made my day. I'm so blessed. Wow, I'm a little bit out of breath, and this sun is at the wrong spot. Why is it on the wrong spot? I mean, I can't face it. I have to walking, facing the sun. Anyway, now just enjoy the view. I just happened to see a Canadian. Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Leslie.
Leslie.
Yeah.
Okay, Leslie. Nice to meet you, first of
Nice
all. And she's also with the same in the same park, and she has something to tell you. You know, you always worry about making mistakes. Let's just get advice from a Canadian.
Hello. My advice would be to just practice and just feel comfortable saying hello and taking any opportunity that you can to speak English. I think practice is probably the best thing, and don't worry about, how you're doing or being shy about it, because most people are very, very happy. I know I am. Any opportunity to speak English while I'm traveling. And so I appreciate any effort that people make. And just remember that your English is much better than how I speak any other language. So,
All right.
yeah, don't be shy about that.
Exactly. Thank you so much for your
Yeah.
wonderful advice. And I hope you're gonna follow her. Yes,
Yeah.
you were saying?
Yeah, no, I would just say just practice and just enjoy it and take the opportunity to find out about another person, and I can find out more about you, and that's what makes the world better.
All right.
Thank you.
So, thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right, follow me. Well, you can't follow me. You can only watch this video. This is kind of risky. Well, if you slip, you're gonna end up being there. You don't wanna get any injuries, so be just careful. So, vlogging and speaking at the same time. So this is the nice view now. So when you explore any natural place and you happen to see this mobile towers or electric towers, it just ruins your movement. They just spoil the natural touch. Well, we have a nice bridge. Let's just cross. Okay. There you go. Oh, it's kind of nice. It's made of wood. So now I'm here. Wow, this is so incredible. Check out this panoramic view. This looks so amazing. I wish I could fly. I wish I could fly all around these walls. Anyway, we're gonna continue. So after walking 2 hours into the deep forest, I came to this place now, the back side of the giant fort. So like I said before, it's kind of hard to see the fort because the position of the sun is at the wrong spot. So it's a little bit foggy and you can't see it properly through this camera. Anyway, in my map is showing that the next spot is lake. and I'll see you there. So that's the lake I was talking about. So now I'm at this spot. So with the walking distance, we're gonna fish this trail. I really enjoyed, though I'm a little bit exhausted. I hope you enjoyed it too. That was quite fun. Alright, thank you so much for watching this vlog. See you next time, maybe in next adventure spot.